Yeah, I can fry it on the meat.
Is salt mackerel ready? I know.
Alright people, so just stop by the supermarket to grab some little stuff. Look on the road and feel like we eat some salt mackerel and dumpling and anything there, no? So you go grab some ingredients right about now. So just walk with it. I get pepper.
Pepper looks good.
You don't have no regular pepper around, you know?
It's a fresh scotch bonnet.
No, they're not the shape like that.
Not that one, but these are it.
They look terrible.
Tell me so they're not hot.
So I get some pepper right about now.
The one that just look nice. Just the one that just
Look at them, they don't have hot, tell you.
It's the
The
one.
mark funny and I eat.
Just a $5.99 a pound, then normally so expensive.
Oh, no, them they do
No,
that.
me just say them they're the real deal up at top. How much you need, sir?
So I get three. Alright, so yeah, so we get everything. You can see we have pear, mango, lemon, pine, and lime, what is that thing.
Oh, alright.
Something you can.
Yeah.
One look big.
So a small pretty one here. Some jam long. Jesus, they look so dead.
Skeleton them look ugly, man.
They look fat down, so Jesus. Look at them, they go choose them. My goodness.
Skin, you know.
Ooh, look, they are alive. Oh my god. I'm frightened.
Yeah, people, so we'll get some salt mackerel right about now.
Right.
Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel. So
It's Parchment Fam, you almost forget.
yeah, you forget all the while. So today is another day in the kitchen. We are going to prepare some
Salt mackerel.
yeah, and dumpling and banana.
Banana and yellow yam.
Yeah, so it's like we just the woman where think say boy a long time we don't eat it. And we say
Yeah,
well, why not just get some salt mackerel and something and just cook it up today, you know?
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna make use of that today. Cook up some salt mackerel and dumpling and banana. So we just want to know see where we are going with in the kitchen today. We have share where we are going with today, we don't know. But we cut up with things, look at everything, and when we done and eat. Alright, so
yes,
just follow it step by step. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, alright?
yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
All I know. Yeah, work with baby in the house today. Oh,
yeah, people, for some reason, baby now in my hand, so she have to go in my hand.
And she know I'm going up on the ground, so it goes sometimes.
See her face?
Say hi.
Easy, you know?
Hi. I want to say hi too.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, people, so see pot of water there now. Don't know, say, salt mackerel go wash off and go into that, you know?
If you go and boil.
Boil him down and thing. Then after that, we have start out with dumpling and with banana and them something there.
And then I come out
See
of
me?
my hand now. You want something there? Just wash off it so you can go into that for me.
Yeah, so we go wash off it now.
Switch.
We have to switch roll right now. Yes, I'm gonna plan a baby a wipe out. Baby a wipe out with plans, cause you know. I want me to done cook this today.
Oh, yeah, okay. You just have to put it on to me. You have to start my friend.
You really asked me that?
I don't remember. Oh, you put pharmacy before? I don't remember.
You really asked me that? No
Yes.
time you cook some mackerel and you eat it.
When?
Chunky mackerel. Yeah. See there? Mackerel boil up in one thing, you know? Yeah, mackerel boil up, people. Yeah, people, so as you can see, what I go on here so now?
Yeah, pick up the salt mackerel as they would have said, so just get out
see there?
the bone them.
Take out the bone there come out of
Yeah,
it.
you want to take out the bone out of it. Once you cook, you know, it separate very easy. So you take out the bone them. When you eat the bone now, unbug you. You want to eat and feel for bone.
Yeah, and they don't know dumpling and bubbly at the same time, you know?
Yeah. Bubble on the ground.
Don't know what go on here already, you know?
Don't know what time it is. Salt mackerel time.
Yeah, people, so I go on right here. So now what you do?
Put some seasoning.
I cut up onion and there's something there. I can guarantee by tonight they're not done.
Shut up.
Cut slow, good it.
Come in a hurry. I mean,
Of
when you're
course I'm in a
hungry.
hurry because I'm hungry. That's why when I cook me that when cooking for go I like do it because you move low in the kitchen.
You say I don't cut up everything already.
I don't cut up
Yeah,
them
but you
long
see me,
time.
I take my time and I get the season right.
Everything about save a moment. We don't have no moment. The one save a moment you're dead hungry. So you can't stand it.
Right, you want to go do it then? Sure. That's why you always end up cook.
Yeah, because you're too slow, man. When me don't cook in a 1 hour, you would have take 3 hours.
No.
But no.
You exaggerate.
Me not exaggerate.
Yes,
Because me
you
would have
are.
done cut up them there already. From
Yeah,
the time you
because
get there.
you're different. But alright. You want more than that?
No.
Alright. Jeez.
Tomato time now.
What's it not? That's salt mackerel. Yeah, one for tomato.
What? We give the color.
Gravy, yes. No artificial gravy, isn't it?
I whole of that
Well, I'm
can
going to use it. Like I want like indoors, so.
Yeah, people see what I go on the base in the onion and tomato in there. Don't know a whole of pepper drop in there too. Oh.
You want to see my face?
And whole of pepper go in there.
Which whole of pepper go in there?
You see pepper tin.
Me not put one whole of pepper in that, but whole of pepper.
to wash this already.
Alright people, him take over from me. I mean one me use one little teeny piece that's in there.
Little teeny piece of sweet pepper.
Pepper, not sweet pepper.
Don't know if we think of your whole heap of anything in it. Good for you, no people. You see me? My wife probably don't eat this, but me eat it.
Me eat it, you know, but
What?
I have to make up my mind to eat it.
So as you can see, this is a sweet pepper, you see me? Slice him up and drop in there, you see me? Jamaican they say slice and dice. You know, dice not just a slice it. And you don't know this wash already.
Yes, I ain't put the whole like this here.
See it? The barely I no see this is pepper not.
No, you just eat a part alone.
Put it big so you can find them.
People both think want use the whole like pepper.
That they no have no taste knife.
Make it well, make it not no taste. Me rather not no taste than you have too much pepper in there. Don't put no more in there. No, we not put no more in there. Don't put pepper in there.
Put pepper, put black
Not,
pepper in there.
why you want pepper this something? People, see there, look out, see how that look nice.
That they call the Rasta pot, you know?
Aital. Aital in call it.
Come out a pot here so too. You don't know. See big bowl of flour and thing and come out. Banana next, you see it? Don't know we cook the banana separate because we don't want them mash out. Put on the banana now, you see me? Yeah, I can try it on the heat. I know what's going on and getting ready to clean.
Alright people, see they now salt mackerel in a pot. They look nice. Looking nice. Stirring into the gravy, I know.
Yeah, people don't know banana go on, you know, enough dumpling and thing don't cook.
See there? Put some black pepper on him. That's almost done. No, can simmer down. People see this fish ready, I know.
Salt mackerel.
But those business stop ragging up salt mackerel. It's salt mackerel ready, I know. Lucky mark, I know. Alright, people see it there.
So done cooking now, you see me? As you can see, food look nice around here, so everything proper. Yellow yam, dumpling, banana, salt mackerel. See there? Bowl god. So, bowl god love yam out of bowl.
Like the bowl.
So taste up the food and make people let me see what I go on, you see me?
Dumpling tight today.
Yeah. Where I
Dumpling.
by that
So
now?
with a heart. Salt mackerel. No. That thing with salt mackerel people, you have to be careful when you eat them.
Full of bone. So you tell the people them something taste them and wait for here.
Take out the bone first. Tastes good.
The reaction they look like say, you know, like you're not you cookie. So if anything you shame.
Alright, you taste it and
Alright people, so
you know, so
taste you know and see what I go on.
when you know, so when you cook, you prefer when somebody else cook. You know?
When you cook you prefer when somebody else cook.
Baby.
I'll be a food in the chat friendly.
And then about some. You some? No man, you know when somebody else cooks, it's like you enjoy more. Now when you cook, like you tell me no, cause
Papa, you see me? But today I buy the pepper, I'm not taste no pepper.
yeah, you the one more me say is spicy. Me don't want for you.
So yeah, so anyway, I go consume of the food you know.
Consume.
You see me? We don't want to get cold power, we don't enjoy. So
Hungry too.
if you want the water, sorry, but we can't help you with that one day. So hope you enjoy the video. Head down below. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when we have another upload, alright? And this is just one of the many videos we have on the channel.
We have a whole lot of food.
Check them out. We have a wide variety of channel, travel, entertainment, we call them.
Tips,
we
joke,
have tips, we have challenges,
all kind of something.
advice, all kind of different things, so just check them out. And enjoy the video and share them up, like and comment, you know?
Wow.
So, again, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.